Hello friends, welcome to Cadd's video tutorial. I am Mamta. Today in this section I am going to explain how to create a right block in AutoCAD. Generally, right block are created to export a group of entities into the separate drawings. Enter. So type right block in command line. Before going to right block, create a one object. I will creating the door and go to command line, type WB and then enter and go to pick point, select the base point and select the object and then enter and select the path and taking the desktop and give a file name and then OK and open a new file. Insert the block, then I enter. This is the right block. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.